What's going on, my rich family? Mr. Cno here. On my last video, I spoke about avoiding narcissists and pessimists. Now, I'm going to get into the emotional side when it comes to acquiring wealth and becoming rich. You need to be an individual that avoids people that'll drain your energy vampires, because things are not going good for them. They'll try to doubt what you're doing and put a cloud on your ideas, your goals, and your dreams. So avoid those people and their emotions. Stay in your emotion of positive energy. Stay laser focused on your own goals and your own dreams, because people will come around you with their feelings and their emotions, and it will rub off on you. So you must by all means avoid those people. If you have to burn bridges, so let it be, because when you're aiming for your own wealth, your own desires, your own dreams, you're going to lose some friends, because they're going to see their own hopes and their own dreams that they didn't have the energy or the passion to bring to fruition. They're going to see that as a doubt, and they're going to see that as invalid, because you had the ambition to achieve your goals and your dreams. And they're not going to like that, because most human beings, they like to be first. They want to be ahead of you so they could shine on you. So you have to take that into consideration. So keep your goals and your dreams to yourself. Keep your emotions intact. Always be thinking about your house, your cars, whatever it is you want to acquire, the business you want to acquire. Think about it, see it, feel it. Walk in your home, walk down to your kitchen, make your breakfast, make your lunch, make your dinner. See yourself in your patio. See yourself in your pool. See yourself walking in the backyard, playing your miniature golf, whatever it is. See it, dream it, feel it. Take at least 5 to 10 minutes per day and visualize that. Get in the emotion. Build up the emotion of already experiencing it and having it. That's where the emotions come from. Seeing it in your mind, seeing it in your brain, getting up every morning feeling rich, feeling that you're putting on your suit, feeling that you're putting on your shoes, if you're a female, putting on your high heel shoes, if you're a female, getting your hair done, doing your nails, going out, feeling good, associating with business partners, having business ventures. Feel it, okay? Even if you're broke right now, feel it. It's the best time for you to feel it. If you want to win the lotto, see the numbers, picture the numbers, have the feeling of you bringing that ticket to the register and having them scan it, and it says you're a winner. Feel that. See yourself receiving the check, taking the picture with the check. See yourself waking up the next morning, looking at your bank account and seeing the amount of money that you won from the lotto. See it and feel it. See yourself purchasing your first brand new luxury car. See yourself the next week walking into your nice 2-story home. See that and feel that, and it will happen. It's all about the feeling and the emotions. If you want to be rich, you need to feel it first. Most people, they go the backwards way. They go the opposite way. They're miserable, they're unhappy, they're pessimistic. They think rich people are evil and bad. But they want to have all the things that rich people have and wealthy people have. So what happens? Something happens accidentally, which they didn't want, like they win the lotto, or they got in an accident and they got a settlement and they got the money. And guess what? They buy up everything and spend everything, and then they're broke. And then the next year, guess what? They're looking for a job. They're looking for a job to pay for the the mortgage or paying for the homeowners association that they can't afford because they spent all their money. And this happens because they are of a poverty mindset. They weren't financially educated. They didn't have that wealth mindset. They spend it all. So you have to stay away from people like that. And if you're a person like that, change your mind and start feeling rich, getting up every day, going downstairs, making your breakfast, getting dressed, going out. Even if you don't have a job right now, even if you don't have a source of income, you must get up and go out. Look rich, feel rich. If you don't have money to go to the store and buy yourself some coffee, make your coffee, go out. If you don't have a car, take the bus. Look sharp, look clean, put on your pair of slacks, button up shirt, go to the beach, watch the sunrise, just feel rich, feel wealth. I used to do this too. I used to work in a fast food joint, and across from the fast food joint was just a warehouse storage. And I used to live there covertly, okay? Until like a year after I got a bigger warehouse. It was subdivided up and the rooms were rented out, and I was collecting $450 to $500 every month for those 4 rooms. And hence I was rich. I ran that for like about a year and a half. Collecting $400 to $500 a month. And all I had to do was get up every morning, go to the park or go to the beach and enjoy my day. And trust me, it was lonely because guess what? Not a lot of people around me was doing what I was doing. People was just getting up 9 to 5 and going to work. So you could do that too, man. You could do that. Just change your mind and feel wealthy. And stop hanging around pessimistic people and people that don't have your goals and dreams in consideration. With that said, see you in a while. Money up.